A little video. If you have Maestro and you have a carbon fiber steering wheel, they're not going to connect together. I mean, well, they're going to work, but your gauges on your radio from the Maestro are not going to work if these are working. They're going to fight for data. So I'm going to troubleshoot this. I called idatalink, and I'm going to do a little video and just see if I can do this on camera. This might help somebody. I have not seen any video, anybody doing this, and I'm trying to figure it out and do it myself instead of paying somebody else, and just going in the settings I was told. So we're going to go here, depending on what radio you have, of course. This is going to be trial and error. We're going to go to the settings button right here. Then we're going to go to AV and OEM setup right here. Okay. Then we're going to go to Maestro settings, I believe. No, we're not. We're going to go to vehicle feature settings. Okay, here's the gauges. Okay. Detected, it will be enabled when a vehicle started with no other device present. Okay, see, that's the problem. It's telling me there's something there. It doesn't like it. So it's on auto disable right now. It will disable automatically when it. Okay. Cancel. Let's go always. Will be on at all times. Is it recommended that you disable your vehicle? Your vehicle is being serviced. Okay, cool. So this might be do it. So we're on always enabled. Okay. So let's just see what happens. Okay, that's on. Let's see what my radio does. Come on, baby. Okay, so let's see. Now we're gonna hit the back of the buttons on the steering wheel to see if my gauges work. Oh, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! So we go to always enable, as you saw. So look at, we got this. Woo! Yeah, baby! Fuck! Woo! Sorry guys, I'm just super happy about this. I just got this a couple weeks ago and I haven't been able to use it. I like the gauges on my car more or less than this if I was driving. I had to choose. I chose this better. So now they're both working. Oh, together in tandem. Yeah. So that's a quick little video on that. Now I gotta fucking stuff this thing back up under here, which is not a problem. I'm just so jazzed that this is working. I hope this is going to help somebody. I'm sure it is, because I did hardwire the Maestro to the back of the connector of the OBD2 reader, thinking maybe that would help. I hardwired it. It's not usually you could connect it to here and ran them together, but I didn't like that, so I just literally hardwired it in the back, the two wires from the Maestro, and then you plug in this smart box for the steering wheel. You're set, and you hide it behind up under here, the breastplate part right here, and you're set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I got a bunch of content on Dodges basically that would work with anything. I have a Dodge Challenger anywhere from 2011 to 2014, but a lot of the stuff will work with a lot of different years. So, and this is a Kenwood DDX9703S. It's an older stereo from 2016, but as long as you go into your settings and you figure out the settings that you need and go in there and run it enabled, you're good to go. These stereos are set up as disabled. When there's another thing running with it concurrent, it won't let it, so we just fixed that. Good luck, guys. Leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. Good luck.